Hi, Alice. How are you today?
Hi, David. I am good. Thank you. And you?
I am very good. It is a hot summer day today.
Yes, summer is here. It is very sunny.
Sunny days are perfect for ice cream.
Oh, yes, I love ice cream. Do you like ice cream, David?
Yes, I love ice cream. I eat ice cream almost every summer day.
Me too. Ice cream makes summer fun.
So, Alice, what do you usually do on a summer day?
I usually wake up late. I eat breakfast, then I go outside.
Nice. I also go outside in the summer. Sometimes I go to the park.
The park is fun. Do you eat ice cream in the park, David?
Yes, I eat ice cream in the park. I like chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate. My favorite is vanilla.
Vanilla is very good too. We can eat ice cream together someday.
Yes, that will be fun.
Alice, do you eat ice cream alone or with friends?
I usually eat ice cream with my friends.
Me too. Ice cream is better with friends.
Oh, yes, eating ice cream with friends is very happy.
David, do you like ice cream in a cone or in a cup?
I like ice cream in a cone. It is crunchy and sweet.
I like ice cream in a cup. It's easier to eat.
Yes, cup is easier, but cone is fun too.
Alice, what time do you eat ice cream in summer?
I eat ice cream in the afternoon, after lunch.
Me too. Afternoon is the best time.
Sometimes I eat ice cream at night too.
Night? Oh, you were very brave. Ice cream at night is cold.
Yes, but it is very tasty.
David, do you buy ice cream or make it at home?
I usually buy ice cream. It is fast and easy.
Me too, but sometimes I make ice cream at home. It is fun.
Oh, I want to make ice cream at home.
It is easy. You need milk, sugar, and ice. Mix them and ta-da! Ice cream.
Wow, that sounds easy. I will try it this summer.
Yes, summer is perfect for ice cream.
David, do you eat ice cream slowly or fast?
I eat ice cream slowly. I enjoy every bite.
Me too. I don't like to eat ice cream fast.
Eating slowly is better. You can taste the ice cream well.
Oh, yes. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, so yummy.
David, do you like ice cream with sprinkles?
Oh, yes. Sprinkles are colorful and fun.
I like sprinkles too. They make ice cream happy.
Ice cream happy. That is funny.
Yes, ice cream is happy. We are happy.
David, what is your favorite ice cream place?
I like the ice cream shop near my house. They have big ice cream cones.
Oh, I know that shop. It is very good.
Yes, it is very good. The ice cream is sweet and creamy.
Sweet and creamy. I want ice cream now.
Me too, Alice. Let's go eat ice cream after this chat.
Yes, let's go.
David, do you like ice cream in summer only or all year?
I like ice cream all year, but summer is the best.
Me too. Summer is perfect for ice cream.
Summer, sun, ice cream, perfect.
Yes, perfect day.
David, do you like ice cream with chocolate syrup?
Oh yes, chocolate syrup is very good. I put it on vanilla ice cream.
Funny. Chocolate on vanilla. I like that too.
Alice, do you like ice cream with fruit?
Yes, ice cream with strawberries is very tasty.
Strawberries, delicious.
Talking about ice cream is making me hungry.
Me too. Ice cream is very yummy.
David, do you like ice cream in the sun or in the shade?
I like ice cream in the shade. Sun makes ice cream melt fast.
Yes, melt fast. I don't like melted ice cream.
Nobody likes melted ice cream.
David, what is your favorite ice cream flavor in summer?
Chocolate. Always chocolate.
Vanilla. Always vanilla for me.
We're different, but ice cream is good for both.
Yes, ice cream makes everyone happy.
Alice, do you eat ice cream while walking or sitting?
I like sitting. It is relaxing.
Me too. Sit, enjoy ice cream. Very nice.
Summer, ice cream, sun, friends, perfect day.
Yes, perfect day.
David, let's ask our viewers.
Yes, friends, tell us in the comments what is your favorite ice cream flavor.
Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, or something else?
Write your favorite ice cream in the comments. We want to know.
And don't eat ice cream too fast. Enjoy slowly.
Yes, eat slowly, taste slowly, enjoy slowly.
Thank you for talking with us today.
Yes, thank you. See you next time.
Bye. Enjoy your ice cream.
Bye. Have a sweet day.